I'm going to make a video of soldering this part. It's the pendant eye inside the heart, and I just add the pendant eye, the heart-shaped pendant eye over here, and now I'm soldering this tiny part over there. So it's a close-up video with a very hot flame, because the risk is that that I'm melting the pendant eye and the heart setting. This is my piece of solder. I'm putting that on top of the pendant eye. It's a very intense hot flame, and I needed that because I must heat the pendant very locally till 750 degrees. It's almost melting. That's it.